Join me as I try to make money fast using only AI online opportunities. Can I hit my goal in just 1 week? The world is changing fast, and if you're not adapting to the new digital economy, you're being left behind. Using AI for online opportunities is no longer a novelty, it's a necessity. In today's fast-paced online world, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Making money online can be tough, and it's no secret that traditional methods just aren't cutting it anymore. We've all been there, spending hours upon hours trying to make a buck, but it seems like no matter how hard we try, we just can't seem to get ahead. And to be honest, it's not our fault. The internet is constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday just isn't going to work today. We need to think outside the box and find new ways to capitalize on the online opportunities available to us. The problem is most people are still stuck in the old way of thinking. They're trying to make money online using methods that are outdated and ineffective. And let's be real, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. The people who are succeeding online are the ones who are adapting to the changing landscape and finding new ways to use technology to their advantage. The reality is the online world is moving at an incredible pace, and if we don't stay up to date, we're going to get left behind, and that's where AI comes in. AI is changing the game, and it's opening up new opportunities for people to make money online. But it's not just about using AI, it's about using it in the right way. So what are these AI-driven online opportunities that I'm talking about? Well, there are a ton of them out there, from freelance work to content creation, and even automated business models. For example, you could use AI to generate high-quality content, such as blog posts or social media posts, that resonate with your audience. Or, you could use AI to automate tedious tasks, such as data entry or customer service, freeing up your time to focus on higher-level tasks. One of the most impressive things about AI online opportunities is the potential for scalability. With traditional methods, you're limited by your own time and resources, but with AI, the sky's the limit. You can create automated systems that generate revenue 24/7 without you having to lift a finger. And let's be real, who wouldn't want that? But out of all the AI online opportunities out there, there's one that stands out from the rest. One that has the potential to generate revenue fast and with minimal effort. And that's what I want to share with you today. This AI opportunity has been making waves online with people reporting incredible results. And the best part is, it's not just for tech-savvy individuals. Anyone can do it, regardless of their background or experience. I've seen people go from zero to hero, generating thousands of dollars in just a matter of weeks. And the best part is, it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and flexibility that comes with it. So, what is this amazing AI opportunity? Well, I'm not going to give it away just yet, but what I will say is that it's changing the game and it's an opportunity that you won't want to miss. In today's video, we've explored the world of AI online opportunities and how they can help you make money fast. From freelance work to automated business models, we've seen just how much potential there is out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on AI opportunities. And if you want to learn more about how to use AI to make money online, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving deeper into the world of AI online opportunities.